Once you are done installing your Kali, you would like to automate setting it up and installing certain basic tools like Docker, Visual Studio Code, LeanPeas, WinPeas, and other softwares. You also like to customize your Kali to a specific security tool that you may need. Don't worry, I've got you. In today's edition of Hack with Elvis, I'm going to introduce a tool to you that's going to help you automate this setup. Hello and welcome everyone to setting up Kali the easiest way. Let's go. So today I'm going to introduce a tool to you. The name of the tool is PimpMyKali. PimpMyKali. Without much ado, let's click on terminal. Increase the font a little. Now, let's also open a browser. Here, I'm picking Firefox. In the search bar, search for PimpMyKali as one word. To be specific, you can add GitHub to it. Click on the first link you see here. Now, this tool is going to help us to install a lot of stuff and automate a lot of stuff. And if you are also even taking some courses by other people, like you're taking an API course or you're taking the Bug Bounty Lab courses, it will be able to install all that you need for you, all the tools that you need. It also installs other tools as well, like the Impact, the Nexus, the CrackMap exec, and all that. It will also help you to update and upgrade your Kali installation, especially the VMwares. So what I'm going to do is to clone this repository. Click on code, click on copy URL. Now let's go back to our terminal. Type, let's first of all change directory to downloads. So we cd into downloads. Then we type git clone. Then we say we add the URL. To paste this URL, you can press Ctrl Shift and then V. It will paste it. Ctrl Shift V to paste it. Now press Enter to clone the repository. It's done cloning. So what I'm going to do is just to cd into it. Cd into Pimp. Then I would list all the files. Now, the particular file we are interested in here would be this one, PimpMyKali.sh. So, all I will do now is to do sudo /. The / means that within this particular folder that I'm in, that's the PimpMyKali folder, find this file. So now you press Enter. Type your password, which in my case is Kali. Then now you have the menu. This is a new VM that I just created, so I'll use a new VM setup. If I want to fix some broken dependencies like pip and pip3, like Golang and other stuff, I would pick any of these ones. But because this is a new VM I'm setting up, I'm going to pick N. So I'll press N. Yes, Y to confirm. Now I'll allow it to do its job. This tool is very great in helping to install all the dependencies you need as a penetration tester and all that you require to setting up your Kali for the first time. I'm going to pause this as it takes a long time to update, upgrade, and bring your Kali box up to scratch. When it's done, I'm going to continue the video and we will see how or what tools have been installed. So here we see tools like Go Witness, MITI M6, Limpies, Wimpies being installed. You also see Google Chrome being installed. These are very essential tools that you will need in your Kali. So let it complete and then we'll come back. So these tools are also being installed. Python V environment. We also see PipX being installed. These are very essential tools. We also see Rust being installed and next exec. And I can tell you, you would need this in your craft, in your arsenal of tools. So allow the process to continue to the end, and I promise you, you will not regret doing that. Thank you and see you in our next video. Like, share, subscribe, and please spread the word. Hack with Elvis is here to help you learn how to hack ethically. Thank you. See you in the next video.